Free websites that pay you Bitcoin. We're glad to see you on our YouTube channel. Here we have a bunch of series of best online earning sources reliable all the time. You can be able to find the best online earning source according to your taste by watching our list. This will surely reduce your efforts of searching for the best place to cache your content. This platform provides you with an amazing collection of digital earning resources. Adorer of wealth and admirer of adventures always look forward to the best collection of easy and reliable online resources. On our YouTube channel, you'll be able to select the best one according to your taste. Actual theme. Bitcoin's strength has been recognized by people all over the world. The idea of having a currency that increases their purchasing power is also novel and exciting for citizens of countries such as Argentina, Venezuela, Zimbabwe, and Greece. People are joining the Bitcoin realm daily as they become more aware of this fact. Some methods of obtaining Bitcoin are preferable to others, while others are even worse than scams. That's why we're going to talk about some legitimate and low barrier to entry ways to make money with Bitcoin today. Number 7, we have Cointiply. On number 7, we have Cointiply. Cointiply is a Bitcoin reward site that allows you to win free Bitcoin. Cointiply assigns tasks to you that everyone may complete, and with each task accomplished, you earn Bitcoin. It's a long process, but if you're serious about getting free Bitcoin, this is the way to go. On better services, you will get rewards in the form of gift cards, and in a way, you can be able to earn more Bitcoins. On number 6, we have free Bitcoin. A Bitcoin faucet, such as Bitcoin.in, is a platform where you can get free Bitcoins in return for performing a mission. It was a precursor to websites where you could sell BTC for products and services. It was first launched by Gavin Anderson in 2010 to promote BTC as a broader audience. Free Bitco. Is one of the oldest Bitcoin faucets on the website, having been launched in 2013. Go to the free BTC website, fill out the CAPTCHA, and then click on the roll button. Return every hour for a fresh free roll and the chance to win up to $200. Not just that, but for every roll, you'll get 2 loyalty points and 2 lottery tickets, which you'll use to collect amazing prizes. Refer a mate to free Bitco. And you'll get 50% off everything they win from the faucet for the rest of their lives. On number 5, we have Earn Bitcoin by Helping People. Update. At the moment, this isn't as reliable. Try the methods mentioned above as they're the most effective in terms of earning Bitcoin. If you're good at both offline and online testing, this is a revolutionary way to win Bitcoins. Bit4Tip is a smartphone and desktop portal that rewards you for assisting others by providing Bitcoin tips. Tip Bitcoins as an incentive. Their tagline reads, "For being helpful, you'll earn Bitcoins. Anyone can query about something on this website, and the answer provider receives Bitcoin tips in return for their response." For example, if I want to know where I can buy a pink Persian cat in India, I can tip whoever responds with a response with Bitcoin. One feature of their website that I really like is that it's accessible in 11 different languages around the world. Many citizens all over the world profit from this low entry barrier. On number 4, we have Earn BTC by Lending. If you still have Bitcoin in your possession, you can put it to use and benefit it from renting it out. Many peer-to-peer Bitcoin lending platforms enable you to do this while still providing you with a respectful 3% to 8% return on your Bitcoin investment. One such website is BlockFi, which has been around for quite some time. I've also written a comprehensive article about Bitcoin lending pages, where we highlighted the importance of this app. But a word of caution, since this area of lending is mostly uncontrolled, carefully choose the borrower to whom you want to lend your Bitcoin and stick to the platform's rules to ensure that you receive your funds. On number 3, we have Earning Bitcoin from Trading. Cryptocurrency trading is another legitimate and cost-effective way to win Bitcoins. While the concept is basic, it requires a great deal of awareness and research to be effective. The fundamental idea behind this strategy is to diversify through buying in different cryptocurrencies while they're low in price and only selling them when the price spikes significantly. You collect Satoshi by selling them for a fee, and as a result, you earn more BTCs. I've done it a few times, and it goes good in terms of ROI, but this is not an investing pitch or suggestion. DIY, do it yourself, and DYOR, do it yourself and others, do your own research. Simply begin by tracking and closely watching your favorite cryptos, and then begin purchasing them from different exchanges, which compiled a collection of some of the strongest cryptocurrency exchanges from which you can purchase. Almost all altcoins can be found on these markets as well. Binance is a cryptocurrency exchange that allows users to, you can also get Bitcoin from here directly, bit by bit futures on the Binance platform. Note this exchange list begins with some of the most basic exchanges for newcomers and progresses to some of the most sophisticated exchanges for advanced users. On number 2, we have Work for Bitcoin. Working for Bitcoin is one of the most straightforward and legitimate methods of obtaining the currency. You can start working for Bitcoin right now. Whether you're an architect, artist, blogger, musician, translator, publisher, internet marketer, freelancer, or developer. There's a slew of forums and websites that will pay you in Bitcoins in return for your time and effort. The following are a few examples of these platforms. Coincidentally, jobs for Bitcoins via Crypto Grind. Coincidences, Bitwage from Crypto.jobs. On number 1, we have a shop and earn free Bitcoins. When you invest money online, this is by far one of the quickest ways to win free cryptocurrency. You will win Bitcoins for your usual online spending by using Bitrefill or Lolly, a cryptocurrency incentive software. Lolly accepts Bitcoins from all big online retailers, meaning you and your family can use it on a regular basis and earn a fair sum of Bitcoins. This information will serve as a guide for you if you're looking for online earning sources. After that information, you'll surely be able to select the right platform for you, which is according to your taste, and it needs minimum efforts from your side. Now you'll be able to get the best choice for you, which can be most suitable to you, and this will surely set a plus point for you over those who are totally blind to this awareness. As per our information, you've got your desired information regarding the best online earning sources on the internet. Please subscribe, share, and like our YouTube channel to get more informative videos like this. In order to get notifications of our further informative videos, press the bell icon. And this way, you'll stay in connect with us.